Hey guys, James Paradise, welcome to my channel. Listen, a lot of people are asking me all kinds of questions. I just started a brand new channel, brand new business, and everybody's asking me questions. What do I do? Where do I do it? How do I do it? What is this? What is this paradise lifestyle? Okay, it's really simple. I'm going to give you some information right now. I'm 51 years old. I've been to 25, 26, 27 countries just in the last 3 years. I've owned and run many businesses, like 12 different businesses, all successful, all making money. I only had one big disaster in my life, and that was the big D, which is called a divorce. That's the only failure I've ever had. So what I want to do before I get into this is make sure you click subscribe on my channel, just for fun. I learned this from a little 21-year-old, by the way. And then I want you to click like. If you like this, just like it. If you don't like it, don't do nothing. Don't do a negative message. Haters will want to hate, right? So just if you like this information, click like. And then also, I want you to click the bell, the notification bell, and click all. If you love this information, get all of my videos. I'm going to be uploading a new video every single day, maybe 2 or 3. This is my life. This is my business full-time, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. So click on that notification bell and get all my videos. I guarantee you, you will save money and make a lot more money if you listen to me. And then also, the last thing, which is the most important, I want you to share my videos. I can't tell you how important this is in social media. One time in 2016, it's January 2020 right now, so 4 years ago, I had one Facebook group in California with over 50,000 members share one of my videos, and I made over $28,000, literally in about 10 days, because they shared my video. So all these things I'm telling you to do, I'm going to teach you how to do so you can sell more products and services worldwide, and also change your lifestyle, change your income, change your lifestyle. That's what this whole channel is all about, my paradise lifestyle. Okay, so make sure you do all this stuff, subscribe, like, click the bell, and click all, get all my notifications, and then share my videos with your family and friends and everybody you know. So listen, check this out. This is what this is all about. Boom. The number one problem I hear from people every single day when I'm coaching them, when I'm consulting them, when I'm mentoring them, is that they have a great idea, but they don't know what to do with it, right? Let me give you an example. I had this one lady in Toronto, Canada. She had this idea. She wanted to help people save money on their mortgage. In other words, paying your mortgage to your home every month, right? Okay. So we spent about 2 hours together on the phone, and I told her, what you need to do is share your information with people. You need to build a YouTube channel. You need to build a Facebook, Instagram. You need to be on social media. She wasn't on social media. She said, oh, I don't like that stuff. I don't believe in social media. I said, you are probably that's the most stupidest answer I could ever hear. That's the most unintelligent answer I could hear, because everybody is on social media. When you go out to restaurants and bars and you go out shopping, when you look at people, everybody, are they on their phones? Yes, everybody's on their phones. And they're on social media every day. Facebook, they're watching videos. They're wasting their time. They're just watching other people get rich and make a lot of money, right? Like you're watching me. What you want to do is the opposite of that. You want people to watch your stuff, and you're probably a professional, and you're probably really smart. You probably know how to do one thing every day really good that makes money. I don't care if you're a bartender or a waitress or you're a mechanic or a stay-at-home mom. You're really good at something, or you wouldn't be able to live or survive, right? You wouldn't be able to make money and pay your bills. So that's what this channel is all about. It's about helping people make money with an idea they have, putting it into a business literally within one day and making money with it. That's what I know how to do. I've got 51 years of experience. So I want you to subscribe to my channel. I'm not going to really teach you anything in this video. I'm just giving you information on what I will be teaching in all of my videos, which is number one, how to make more money with what you're currently doing. Number two, how to save more money, right? That's important. Hey, listen, I spoke to another guy. He was making about $7,000 a month, but his bills were $4,000. He only had $3,000 a month left over. I showed him one little trick to save $1,000 a month which changed his life because he was having a new baby with his life. So now he's making $7,000 a month, but he's keeping $3,000. He's keeping $4,000 a month. That changed his life. And then I showed him how to take the $4,000 a month and turn it into $5,000, and then turn it into $6,000. So that's what this channel is all about, all right? So here's what I want to do. I want you to subscribe to my channel, keep watching my videos. This is all brand new information coming out of my head of 51 years of experience in life, making money, saving money, building businesses, partnering up with successful people, and I'm going to share all this information with you. And I'm going to leave you one last thing before we end this video. Believe me, click on the notification. If you just click on the notifications, every single day you'll get a new video from me. And then if you like this information, just in the comments box below, just say, yes, I have a great idea. James, help me with this idea. I will make a special video, one-on-one personal video just for you, and I will teach you how to take that idea and make money with it. I don't know if you're gonna make millions, but you'll make money with it. Maybe $100 a day, maybe $1,000 a day, but you'll do something with it because you're probably really good at something and you're just not making enough money with it. You're at a job, you're not being paid enough, right? Let me show you how to take that idea and build it into a business. Click that notifications button, share my video, subscribe, click the like button, keep watching my videos, and in the description below, check this out. I have a brand new ebook I just wrote. It's free, there's no charge. I want you to download it. It's only about 20 pages. You can read it in like 15 minutes. Check it out, read it, and then if you're interested, contact me. I'll get you on a live call. I'll show you how to take your idea, any idea, and turn it into money that you can use every single day. If you love that idea, keep watching my videos. I'm out. Bang. See you soon.